Encapsulation, a wrapping of member methods and member variables into a single unit. New keyword, instantiates an array or a class by allocating memory for it. Example, channel MPS equal to new channel constructor. Here MPS is an object of the class channel created using keyword new. Literals, a constant value, integer, floating point, string, etc. assigned to a variable. Access specifiers, public, private, protected, default. Constructor overloading, having multiple constructors in a class differing in signature, that is number and type of parameters. Boxing, converting primitive data type to an object of its corresponding wrapper class. Example, int to integer. Unboxing, converting an object of the wrapper class to its corresponding primitive data type. Example, integer to int. Part B, if A greater than B, system out println A. Else if A greater than C, system out println A. Part C, for semicolon, system out print open inverted commas asterisk close inverted commas. Part D, int search string s comma char ch. Part E, equal to is an assignment operator used to assign value to a variable. Equal to is a relational operator used to check for equality. Question 3a, one character occupies 2 bytes, so 10 characters occupy 20 bytes. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, so 20 bytes is equal to 160 bits. Part B, binary search works on sorted data, whereas linear search works on both sorted and unsorted data. Part C, Java is programming language. Next line, developed by tab space James Gosling within single inverted commas. Part D, break is a keyword used to jump out of a loop or switch statement. Exit 0 is a function used to terminate the entire running program. Part E, math.sqrt, math.pow, a plus b, 3, integer division, math.abs, a minus b. Part F, m is equal to 10 minus open bracket 9 modulus operator 7 plus 8 integer division 2 close bracket is equal to 10 minus open bracket 2 plus 4 close bracket is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Part G, subpart 1, 5.0 plus 5.0 is equal to 10.0. Part 2, 15.0 plus 7.0 is equal to 22.0. H, part 1, transparent in lowercase. Part 2, trans of transparent matches with trans of transition. ASCII of next letter P is 80 and ASCII of next letter I is 73. Difference is equal to 80 minus 73 equal to 7. Part I, subpart 1, system out println str dot last index of blank space within single inverted commas. Part 2, char ch equal to str dot char at 1. J, part 1, syntax error because switch expression cannot be boolean type. Part 2, runtime error because division by 0 is invalid. For section B, question number 4, here is the program. Class A transport, member variables, member method void accept, member method void calculate, member method void print, main method, object created, invoking member methods on the object. For question number 5, 2 separate one-dimensional arrays have been used. There is input of data, selection sort is there, swapping, and finally output of data. In question number 6, I have made a correction. In part 2, Instead of sum, I have taken product. Here is the solution. Class overload. Overloading of function sum. Int sum parameter int a, comma int b. Double sum parameter double n. Int sum parameter int n. Here's the main method, then object created, invoking methods on object. For question 7, here is the solution. There is menu, switch case, choice 1, choice 2. In the solution to question number 8, there is declaration of two-dimensional array, input of data 16 elements, summation of elements, and finally output. In the solution to question number 9, there is a Boolean function to check whether a character is a vowel. In the public static void main function, we are entering the string, converting to uppercase, checking for vowel pair, printing vowel pairs, printing count. Thanks for watching. Instagram account m.p.singh.teacher, email ID mpsingh41@gmail.com.